Every year, yoga becomes more and more popular. Many people believe that practicing yoga is the best method to cure the body, achieve physical perfection, and find peace with oneself and the environment. I'll explain what will happen to your body if you practice yoga every day in this video, so make sure to watch the entire video. It's entertaining. Yoga is more than just a regimen of movements meant to enhance health. Yoga is a unique way of living that enables you to unearth new potential and hidden capabilities in your body, as well as establish balance in your physical and psychological condition. Yoga's core principles go beyond only physical exercise. They also contain techniques for developing one's spirituality and improving oneself. The therapeutic value of yoga has been shown by scientific research. It has been demonstrated that regular yoga courses are good for all organs and systems. The condition of the spine and posture are both improved by yoga. Back and neck discomfort diminish when spinal deformities and pinched nerves are treated. Posture correction aids in improving blood flow to internal organs and lung capacity. Hormone levels are normalized by yoga. Yoga sessions help to cure genital diseases and boost the thyroid and pancreas functions. Through yoga, you may enhance your flexibility and plasticity, increase the suppleness of your ligaments and tendons, and relax your muscles. The cardiovascular system functions more normally as a result of yoga. Deep breathing helps to regulate the heartbeat and gives the internal organs more oxygen. Yoga boosts resistance. The body's lymphatic system is stimulated by muscular contraction and stretching, which helps the body fight infections and prevents the growth of cancerous cells. Yoga helps you lose weight and looks better. It strengthens the muscular framework of the entire body, speeds up metabolism, and enhances digestive system performance. Weight reduction results from yoga's intricate impact on the body. Yoga is beneficial for women because it normalizes the menstrual cycle, relieves premenstrual syndrome and menopausal symptoms, eases migraine pain and frequency, boosts libido, and lessens menstrual discomfort. It also improves premenstrual syndrome symptoms. Regular yoga practice is good for men's health as well. Numerous postures boost blood flow to the pelvic organs, stimulate the prostate, and enhance sex. Yoga activates the testicles and adrenal glands, boosting testosterone production. Yoga has other health benefits for the body in addition to these. Yoga aids in finding peace of mind, as opposed to physical training, which is intended to improve the body and health. Patients with mental illnesses, severe depression, and sleeplessness are frequently treated with yoga. Yoga poses and meditation may help you unwind, have faith in yourself, and get rid of worry, fear, and resentment. There are a few things to consider before performing yoga. First, it's crucial to keep your breath under control when practicing. Take several calm, deep breaths through your nose. The period between inhaling and exhaling should be the same. The awareness and control of the breath are the foundation of yoga. Disconnect from unimportant ideas and concentrate on your interior experiences. Exercise must be stopped if there is discomfort, back pain, or joint pain. Third, don't push yourself too much. During yoga, muscles should only be stiff to the extent necessary to maintain equilibrium in the body. Fourth, you must practice without eating. After 20 to 30 minutes, you can eat. Fifth, novices should practice yoga for 20 minutes. The length should be extended gradually to 60 minutes. The duration is just marginally significant. It's crucial to give the workout your best effort and to breathe properly. Sixth, depending on your schedule and motivation, you can train every day or every other day. Seventh, mornings are the greatest time to practice. Yoga practitioners with experience practice 2 hours before sunrise, however doing so throughout the day or at night has no fewer health benefits. The frequency of sessions matters a lot more than the time of day. Friends, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.